gentlemen. Today they said it's going to be a frost tonight, so I'm fetching everything that's not frost hardy. So I'm going to be showing you, these are my Agapanthus. As you can see, I've got some foxgloves that are self-seeded, and I forget the name of these, but Achillea, yeah, Achillea. But I'm going to be weeding these. They've got sub pellets on, so I always treat them with sub pellets. Anything you're going to fetch in, you want to treat them 1 or 2 weeks before with some sub pellets. You don't want to fetch a load of nasty things into the greenhouse to eat all your nice plants. First of all, I've fetched them in. I'm going to be leaving them in these 9cm pots. As I said, weeding them, which I'll go through now. And then they'll go in that part of the greenhouse, that corner. I'm going to put a light up, a 5-foot double batten LED light tomorrow. So let's get weeding these, shall we? If you've got any questions regarding anything I grow, please just message me, and I'll be glad if I can help. Right, let's get the camera set up. Right. Gloves on, because the slug pellets, and foxgloves, which are poisonous. These are my favourite type. Nice and grippy one side, and breathable on the top, so when they're all rubber, your hands just sweating them. Anyway, digressing. None of that. Right. Got a knife there. All you need to do is gently ease each one of the weeds out. Make sure you get all the little ones, if you don't want to be coming back and doing it again. If I needed any foxglove, I'd save these, but I have got plenty. Well, even a poppy in that one. Shame, but you've got to come up. Right, that's one done. In that top corner, nicely. I'm just going to go through them all. Yeah, I started growing these, I think, under artificial light in January or February this year. They've come on really well. It's I think headborn variety. The thing I like about growing these from seed is you don't know what you're going to get until they flower. Right, that's it. That's another one we did. Nice in that top corner there. I'll just go through them like that. I might try and save some of these Achilleas, because it'd be nice to see how they turn out. But that's fetching the Agapanthus in, some from seed. Any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Oh, look at that one, two there. No, is that sending out? That's sending outside shoot, sorry. Yeah, don't hesitate to ask. I'll be pleased to answer any questions. If you like the videos, please subscribe, and please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye.